Not sure why you should clean with lemon? Come on, let's tell you why. Lemon offers many perks as a cleaning agent. You will be surprised by how fast and effective this multipurpose cleaner is. Having witnessed the effectiveness of cleaning with lemon, we can tell you from the start that you will enjoy this cleaning hack. Besides cleaning, lemon has been applied in other industries such as healthcare, skincare, stress relief, etc. While much is known about its relevance, it is surprising how little is known about its cleaning properties. That is why we put together these 5 reasons to clean with lemon, to help you take advantage of lemon in your daily cleaning. And like we always do, we will leave you with a bonus tip at the end. So stay glued. Whitens toilet. Doesn't it feel good to come to a white and sparkling toilet? Of course, it does, but you will agree that getting this done can be a nightmare sometimes. A lot of cleaners shy away from cleaning the toilet because of the effort needed to get the desired result. Well, those days are behind us now. If applied correctly, you can get a white sparkling toilet using lemon. Good air freshener. Besides giving you the desired result without sweating it, you will be happy to know that lemon serves as a good air freshener too. This is another good reason to clean with lemon. You want your home clean, but you also get a bonus of a sweet-smelling scent. A drop of lemon in the garbage bin and microwave not only removes the mess, but also leaves it with a good smell. And of course, it isn't limited to microwaves and garbage bins only. It can also be used in the fridge and other parts of the home to keep them smelling nice. Effective pesticide. Pests are a relentless nuisance. If you are tired of battling with pests, you should try using lemon when next you clean. It works like magic. Insects such as ants, flies, bees, and bugs cannot stand the smell of lemon, hence, a drop of lemon in your home will keep them far away for as long as possible. Kills bacteria. It is easy to get dust and dirt off, but you may have to do a little more to get rid of bacteria and other pathogens. This is because not all cleaning agents possess enough antibacterial activity to rid your home of these pathogens. The good news is that lemons possess enough antibacterial properties to rid your home of every pathogen lurking on clean surfaces. Simply add a few lemons to high-traffic areas or surfaces, and you are good to go. Remove stains. This is yet another good reason to clean with lemon. Lemon has been tested and proven to be effective in removing stubborn stains around the home. Be it in the kitchen, carpet, or laundry, you should give this a try. It dissolves stains quickly, so you don't have to spend so much time scrubbing and spreading the stain. Bonus tip. Clean grater. Getting rid of leftovers and dirt from graters is one huge battle you have to come prepared for. Not anymore though. You can easily soak the grater in a mix with lemon and watch all the stuck particles dissolve. This is an easy and effective way to keep your graters debris-free. Give it a try. When life gives you a lemon, they say, make lemonades. Well, not all the time. Sometimes you have to turn the lemons into excellent cleaning agents. Besides these excellent reasons to clean with lemon, it is good to know that lemons are cheap and easily available in local stores. The perfect cleaner, we must say. That said, don't hesitate to contact us if you need help with cleaning. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on 5 safe ways to clean your child's toys. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.